Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the update now. First, confirm your dashboard version in Settings and free up at least 6 GB. Connect with a stable wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Updates fail on flaky links. Sign into Xbox Live so the console can validate downloads and immediately back up your profiles and saves to the cloud or a USB drive. Once done, leave the console plugged in and avoid interrupting power. That preserves NAND integrity and prevents corrupt system software. Now download and install the update. If you're online, go to Settings System Updates and select Update Console. The system will fetch the correct package and apply it automatically. If your network is unavailable, create an offline USB using the OSU1 file. Format FAT32, copy the $System Update folder, then insert and restart the console to trigger the offline installer. While installing, watch the progress bar and do not interrupt power. Interruptions can leave the system in an unstable state. Finish by letting the console restart and then verify the updated system version in Settings so you know the update applied. Re-sign into your profile to resync saves and achievements and quickly test controller pairing, network access, and a game load. If something goes wrong, power cycle the console by holding the guide button 10 seconds, then retry the update. If persistent errors occur, perform the offline USB update. Only consider a factory reset as a last resort after back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.